The COMFEE 24-inch washer and dryer combo offer a convenient and versatile laundry solution, combining multiple modes to meet various washing demands. This all-in-one ventless washer and dryer combo features options such as steam care, overnight wash and dry, wool setting, reload function, quick wash, pre-wash, delay start, and a child lock. One standout feature is the steam care function, which not only cares for your health, but also reduces wrinkles and odors in fabrics. The steam permeates through the clothes for over 30 minutes, ensuring a thorough cleaning process while keeping your garments fresh and wrinkle-free. The overnight wash and dry option is a time-saving convenience, allowing you to wash and dry your laundry in one cycle. This eliminates the need to transfer clothes from the washer to the dryer, providing the convenience of having clean, dry clothes ready the next day. In addition to its functionality, the COMFEE washer and dryer combo prioritizes energy and space efficiency. With a space-saving size of 23 foot x 25 x 34, it offers a 26 pounds washer capacity and a 13 pounds dryer capacity. The inverter motor improves energy efficiency compared to a universal motor, contributing to energy savings. To ensure a stable and efficient operation, the washer and dryer combo comes with clear instructions on removing transport bolts before use. This step prevents unnecessary movement and shaking during operation, ensuring a smooth and reliable laundry experience. In summary, the COMFEE 24-inch washer and dryer combo impress with their versatile washing modes, steam care functionality, time-saving options, energy efficiency, and space-saving design. It's a practical choice for those seeking a reliable and compact laundry solution with advanced features to simplify their laundry routine.